Hey girl, hey, Dana Lynette here, and ooh, can we talk about the elephant in the room? Look at all this hair down my back, and that's what this video is about. It is about this, I think it's like a boho passion twist. Maybe some people call them island passion twist. Whatever you want to call it, it's passion twist with curls, and it's over my DIY Microlocs. Let's get into it. So this is a DIY style. I do my hair myself. And so first of all, in my last video, I was going on a little bit about how in the Black community, in my observation, it's kind of underrated. Just the beauty of wearing your own hair, because I personally came out of a lifestyle where wearing my own hair was just something I did not do. But I wasn't saying like it was wrong to do or that I would never. I was just saying, I was speaking of the joy that I have in not being completely dependent on like wigs and braids and crochet and all of that. So no biggie, that's all I was saying. But about a week ago, I have been seeing on Instagram a lot these boho braids and twists and stuff, and I looked at it long enough, then I wanted it. So I had some water wave hair from when I did a set of faux locks just sitting in my little stash, and so I decided I was going to try it. I do like it. This does not look like a professional job when I do my own hair. I very much do whatever. I get tired of doing it and I stop. Sometimes like the back is not done. I have loose Microlocs in the back. I just couldn't be bothered to keep my hair and to continue. So anyway, so I used water wave hair at first. Y'all see some of my locks hanging out here from the back. I used water wave hair to start twisting at first. And then when I saw that I was running out of that, I went to the hair store, and they didn't have 1B, the color I was working with, or one. They had like burgundy. And so I ended up buying some, this is super line, some crochet twist, and just untwisting them and using them. And I used 2 different brands of that because I bought a few packs, but it wasn't enough. I had to go back to the hair store. The man felt sorry for me, running around with my hair half done. He gave me some free hair. Long story short, I got it done. But the star of the show that I want to talk about, it's not what I did the passion twist with. That's standard water wave, like I say, or unraveling this crochet hair. This is the type of hair that frizzes on you, which is why these synthetic, you can't wear this style too long. The boho styles with synthetic hair, because it gets real frizzy and tangled and becomes a matted mess. But I have been pondering this idea for a while. Like, people be getting human hair so that the hair doesn't frizz. But I remember about 5 years ago, I used some of that soft dread hair, and I will link a review. I have 2 reviews on 2 different brands of that hair. I'm going to link that below. Kima braid and another one starts with a B. Anyway, I remember those curls were so crunchy that I would put it in like a straw set or something like that, and it would be so beautiful, and it was so crunchy that it never frizzed up like typical crochet hair does. And like, you would wear that as long as you wanted to wear it, and you would take it out because you was ready to wash your hair, not because the hair was nasty looking. So I kept thinking, or kind of my theory was, that type of curl would be great for a boho style. And so I remember that. So when I was at the hair store, I also picked up this is Vivica Fox straw curl. Now, the soft dread hair I'm talking about comes in a dreadlock, and you separate it into either 3 or 4 pieces. This is a little softer. It's already separated. It's not soft dread, but it's similar. They didn't have the soft dread in the color that I needed, so I just got this, and I will say it's second best, but the best would probably be that crunchy soft dread hair. Biba is that other brand. Biba and Kima braid. But there's all kinds of brands that make the soft dread hair. But this is what I picked up and this is what I used. And so, was my theory correct? I want to say yes, but honestly, I'm not sure. Like, this is a piece of the straw curl. But because I started out with water waves, some of my curls are water wave curls. And then when I went and got some of these crochet faux locks, the first pack or two that I bought had curls attached to it. And so I used some of those. And so I have a combination of the straw curl, the Vivica Fox straw curl, and like the typical, like that's Vivica Fox right here. Whoa, my fingernail. This is Vivica Fox right here. But there's also, you know, a lot of the frizzy water wave and crochet twist. So I do think I'm going to try the style again. I'm going to see if I can do it with only like the Vivica Fox since I have so much. Or I might pick up some soft dread hair. But yeah, this is what the curl looks like on the straw curl from Vivica Fox. And it, you know, it pretty much does stay like that. I feel like a few of my curls is stretched out and got even skinnier. But yeah, that's typically what the curl looks like. So, I mean, if that's not really the look that you're going for, then you probably aren't impressed. But I feel like this straw curl hair, and especially if you use the softer hair, it will last longer. And I'm not saying that it won't frizz, but I feel like you'll be able to get 2-3 weeks in before it looks nasty. That's still a theory because, like I say, my hair is such a mix. That water wave and crochet hair be matting and frizzing. And I don't know if you can see that real well, but, and my lighting isn't real great, and I'm sorry about that. Overall, I like this style. I like it better than box braids. I like it better than faux locks. If I decide, if I decide I want some long curly hair, I will do the passion twist. And like I said, I'm thinking about doing it again. So if I do, you know, if y'all want a tutorial or something, you know, let me know. But there's plenty of tutorials all over. What I learned, what I'll do different next time, my locks, especially the ones in the back, they're fat at the end. And so when you try, you know, I have 240-ish locks. And so if you don't want a whole lot of hair on your head looking like Cousin It, you're going to have to combine several locks. The problem becomes when you get to the end and you have 4 or 5 or 6 locks that you're trying to combine in a twist. It's not going to hold with those fat ends. Now in the front, my curls are, my locks, my Microlocs, most of them don't have the fat end, and so they were pretty easy to deal with. But the way I dealt with, I'll put in a shot of my hair down and show y'all, but the way I dealt with my fat ends or locks not wanting to stay in the twist is I bought hair jewelry from the local beauty supply store. That man gave me that free hair, and so I invested in hair jewelry. So I use these, mostly the gold, to, I have a lot of them in my hair. It's just not showing right now the way I have it pulled back. But I use those to cover where my locks are coming out. And there's some places where it has really started to unravel. You can see a lock sticking out here. But when I do it next time, I'll do it shorter. And I'll do fatter twists because I don't like how where my locks stop, a lot of my twists suddenly get skinny, you know, from a fat hump to skinny. And most of these I twisted the wrong way for passion twists. And so they didn't have that boingy, springy action. It just made them extra long, which was not the goal. So I think I'll cut the hair in half that I twist with next time so that the hair maybe will be half as long. but it's pretty. I like it. It's fairly easy. So I have these Velcro straps that, I don't know, some washcloth or something came in, and I'll Velcro the hair back into a ponytail. And then I'll twist it into one big twist. And then I'll fold the twist up and take a goodie hairband and wrap it around there so that it stays like that. So then I have this big hunk of hair, but it's not like down my back. So then I have one of them lock sock things. It's like a bonnet for locks. It's long. And then I'll put that on and tie it. And then I'll take a Kroger or a Walmart bag, and I will put it over the bag so it doesn't get wet in the shower. That's how I keep my hair from getting wet. And if you keep your hair from getting wet, you can keep it from mildew. I do not wash my hair. I don't wash my locks while they're in protective styles, because to me that's asking for mildew. But yeah, so let me show y'all what this hair looks like down and stuff. This turned out a little too full for me. But I mean, it's giving what I was looking for. It's definitely not giving professionally done, but I'm okay with that. If I want it to look professionally done, I'll actually take my time. See, look at that. And that's that. Vivica Fox hair. Ooh. So anyway, let's see if I can. So I'm not gonna do like a styling video because I don't really style this stuff. I just part it to the side, do a little flip over action. And today is the first day that I actually tied it back like I had it, but it's long. I'm 5'9", and it's like my belly button is like right here, so it's giving belly button length. Lower the mid-back length. So anyway, I just wanted to pop on here and show y'all my protective style. If you want that tutorial, when I take this down, I'll probably wear my hair for about a week and then pop in another style, shorter, like I say. Hopefully bigger twists, fewer twists. But let me know if you're interested in seeing that. And I'll put a video up here for you. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.